It's silver, it's like a speeding bullet, it's the VolVlog. Well, today is the first day after I got the Volvo back. I got through its MOT, but that was probably the most stressful experience that I've ever had to endure. The issue was that it had, well, the emissions actually weren't really a big issue. An oil change and an Italian tune-up for a couple of miles fixed all that, as we knew it would. The handbrake as well, it was a faff getting the parts. They got the parts. Again, it's something that's easy to fix because it's mechanical. The biggest issue turned out to be the ABS fault. They've replaced the sensor, but that has not fixed the fault. It got the light off long enough for it to get an MOT, ironically enough. But it came back on driving away from the test centre. I took it back because there was another issue arose, and that was that the speedometer was reading approximately half of the actual speed the car was doing. It later cleared itself and read the proper speed, but then I noticed it went back to reading half speed and then cleared itself and went to full speed. Now, all of these issues appear to be related to the ABS module. So it's possibly likely that the ABS module is actually on its way out, that effectively it BS'd the card reader that was plugged into it. It said that there was a fault with one of the wheel sensors, when in fact actually the fault lay with the module, but it's not going to grass itself up, really, is it? So we're going to have to see about that. One thing I do need to do with the Volvo is take it out for a good long run. So I thought, where can I go? The usual model shop that I go to is closed on Tuesdays, so why not take a trip to the new Hatton's place? I haven't been to Hatton's since they were on Smithdown Road. I used to go to the old shop a long time with Norman Hatton, where if he was having a good day, he'd bring out old Hornby 00 items from the stock room and sell you them as, well, new stock from the main dealer, 30 years plus after Meccano went bust. But they then moved to another place on Smithdown Road. I went there once and moved again to somewhere in Widnes, and I've looked it up on the map and I think I can find it. So we're going to hop in the Volvo and see how we go. Now, if that speedometer fault returns again, I've got to really keep an eye on that, because they're having roadworks everywhere with the old average speed tax cameras. So we're really going to have to watch that. I'm just going to have to suck it up and just follow the pace of all of the other vehicles, and not race along and try and gauge my speed by what other people are doing. So don't follow any BMW or Audi drivers, because I'll get a speeding ticket doing that. But let's see how it goes. So this is going to be, we've coined the name the VolVlog. What a silly name, eh? And we're going to document the first proper run out of the Volvo. We did poodle around yesterday, just to the shops and that, but this is going to be the old girl stretching her legs. But did have other issues. Back door handle, the mechanism collapsed due to rust, it turns out. Fixed that with some zip ties, but you have to slap the back door in just the right place to get it to open.
Is that your secret technique?
I can laugh, but that ABS module is causing me no end of grief. So anyway, let's get to it. Well, we're in the Volvo, and looking in there, we've done 13 miles since the MOT. So, big test. ABS light. And just have to see what actually happens with the speedo as we drive. So we're going to keep an eye on that. I can't film whilst I'm driving because I can't hold on to this. So see how we go. Well, we made it without incident. The speedometer behaved itself, and we're now at Hatton's in somewhere in Widnes. So put a few more miles on the clock. ABS light was still on. Speedometer did read the correct speed, which was, well, it put a lot of fears at rest. Been listening to some top tunage. I haven't listened to this off this tape in about 3 years. They just picked up where it left off. So I'm going to go inside. Probably not going to film anything because it's probably a bit rude to blunder in and go, oh, can I just film everything? So I'm probably not going to do that. But I'm going to go and see what I can find. So I'll catch you. Right, well, done my shopping. Bought a few bits and pieces. So you'll probably see those in upcoming videos. But we're going to go for the long drive back, and hopefully the Volvo will pass the shakedown cruise with flying colours and be able to finish off this this VolVlog with a happy tone. I'm going to try and actually place this somewhere so I can film the driving. So bear with me. This Volvo, as an optional extra, came with a child seat in the back. That's.
Is that your secret technique?
Are you looking forward to your drive?
This one doesn't require the technique.
It's like Biff Tannen, but this, it's a nice armrest, luxury car travel 90s style, but child's car seat, integrated booster cushion. I wouldn't, well, this is the thing. Everybody poo-poos that and says, oh, I wouldn't put my child in there. But that's pretty ahead of the day, isn't it? Back in the day. And, I mean, why would it be any less safe now than it was when it was new? Don't know.
Are you okay in that little seat, Miss Uggles?
Yeah.
You're going to strangle her.
There.
Oh, no. Yeah. You okay in that seat, Miss Uggles? Oh. Is that what you dragged me out here for?
Yeah, there we are. One of the many optional extras that my Volvo came with and still has. It still actually works, as you can see. There we are. I did offer once to provide placement for a small related child, and it was poo-pooed by that small related child's related mother. And I don't know why, apart from the fact that that's probably not the most comfortable of booster seats, but hey, if you don't actually have a booster seat with you, there you are, emergency booster seat. Well, Volvo is back on the road. It runs pretty reasonably, but pretty happy about that. So this is me, Jenny Kirk, saying until next time on the VolVlog, you take very good care of yourself. Bye for now. Today's video has been brought to you in part thanks to the generous donation of my fans on Patreon. And a special huge thanks goes out to Anthony Kidson, Mark Anthony and Michael Churchwood. If you'd like to help support the show, head on over to patreon.com/Jennifer Kirk. Thank you. Today's video has been brought to you by my books, Bringing Home the Stars, Twinkle Little Star, and also you can get the complete comic collections of All Over the House, Books 1, Books 2, and also the wacky zany Life of Knob T Mouse. Thanks, and catch you later.